Welcome to this video, where we'll learn how to enable Wi-Fi on Windows 11. Whether your laptop just lost connection or you're setting up a new device, this quick guide will help you turn on Wi-Fi and get back online in just a few simple actions. First, right-click on the Start icon on your taskbar. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open the Windows Settings window. Next, in the Settings panel, click on Network and Internet. Now, look for the Wi-Fi option on the right side of the screen. If it's turned off, simply click the toggle button to turn it on. Once Wi-Fi is enabled, Windows will start scanning for available networks automatically. Finally, click on Show Available Networks. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password if needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.